Hello beauties, you're welcome to GLOWRITE Beauty World and Skincare channel. If you are new to our channel, you are very much welcome. It's good to have you here. This channel is all about skincare, how to formulate effective skincare products which are 100% organic and chemical free. And here on this channel, we also share skincare tips and DIY recipes that will help you to achieve a smooth, flawless and even-toned complexion. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make an effective dark knuckles treatment scrub that can clear and fade away dark spots. This dark knuckles scrub will gradually lighten your hands and make it feel soft and smooth. Anyone can develop dark knuckles, and a lot of things can actually cause dark knuckles, ranging from using lotions or skincare products or even washing detergents that contain harsh chemical ingredients. Too much of putting your hands in hot water can also cause it, even if you are the type that roasts foods on fire, and also hormonal changes can also cause dark knuckles. So the aim of this dark knuckle treatment scrub is to fade and lighten your knuckles. So to make this dark knuckles treatment scrub, you'll be needing a spatula, a bowl and a scale. And the first product I'll be using as a base is the Ashanti Spa salt that contains ingredients like turmeric and ginger. This is going to be a base for it, and I'll be adding 300 grams of this spa salt. If you are new to our channel and you love contents like this, kindly subscribe now and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload new videos. You can like and share and also leave a comment below for inquiries or clarifications. The next ingredient I'll be adding is the brown sugar. Brown sugar's granulated particles has the ability to exfoliate the skin by removing dead skin easily and help to reveal new skin. This helps to create a smoother and youthful glow. Brown sugar has antibacterial properties and glycolic acid that keeps your skin radiant and healthy. I'll be adding 200 grams of brown sugar, and then after I will stir and mix properly. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of malic acid. Malic acid helps to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. It also improves skin smoothness and skin tone. And the next ingredient I'll be adding is a citric acid. Citric acid exfoliates to get rid of dead cells, and by promoting exfoliation, it helps to unclog pores, reduces the appearance of wrinkled skin, and also helps to even out the skin tone. And it also helps to brighten, soften, and smoothen the skin. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder. I'll also be adding 50 ml of hydrogen peroxide. Please, this is a different type from the one sold in the pharmacy. This is only to be added in your scrubs or liquid soap to fade or lighten hyperpigmentation or dark spots. I'll be adding 30 ml of our company's peeling oil. This oil is very active in peeling off dead skin within 2 days on its own. It comes with directions if you want to use it on the skin alone. It acts as an active booster to this product. Then after all this I've added, I will now give it another stir and mix properly. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of niacinamide, that is vitamin B, which helps to lighten pigmented skin. The next ingredient I will be adding is 2 tablespoons of whitening activator oil. Please note that if you are making a larger batch of this scrub, the ingredient quantity will vary. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of propylene glycol. Propylene glycol works in the skincare products and acts as both a humectant and a conditioner. Basically, it helps you to achieve 2 things you really want for your skin: hydration and smoothness. After that, then I will be adding preservatives and then give it a very good stir. Now let me show you a brief tutorial on how you can use this dark knuckles treatment scrub. First, you need to wet your hands with water, then take some scrub and apply it on your skin. In a circular motion, gently scrub on the affected areas, that is where you have the dark knuckles. Scrub it gently, then allow it to sit 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off. Once you finish rinsing off, you can then pat that dry with a towel. So this is how my hands looks like. For faster results, we have the knuckles treatment cream, which is among the set of dark knuckles treatment products that we have. And for better results, is advised that you have to use them together. Now I have to package this product. This is how it looks like. And here are our knuckles treatment set. We have the serum, we have the soap, we have the cream, and we have the scrub. They work perfectly well in clearing dark knuckles. You can also use them if you are experiencing dark feet. If you want to order any of our products, kindly visit our Instagram page or send us a message on WhatsApp. Our contact is boldly displayed on the screen or in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification for more contents from us. Like and share if you find this video helpful. See you soon.